we present block Nerf, a variant of neural radiance fields, or Nerfs, that can be used for novel view synthesis of large-scale environments. Our method uses images captured from multiple drives of a self-driving vehicle to construct block Nerfs, which are 3D representations of the scene. Once constructed, we can explore the scene from new viewpoints. We are no longer confined to the path that the vehicle traversed. We demonstrate the ability to represent large environments by constructing the Alamo Square neighborhood of San Francisco, which is roughly a half square kilometer in size. This area is represented by 35 block Nerfs, one for each block, which are then combined to generate the final render. Please refer to the paper for details about the rendering method. In this example, 2.8 million images captured over a 3-month period are used to optimize the representation. This was sourced from over 13 hours of driving across 1,330 drives. We are able to adjust properties such as the time of day or weather because our source images are captured under different environmental conditions. Now we present additional reconstruction results for other areas of San Francisco.